guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a BMW such as BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, Z3 or Z4 guys, and you're trying to find your coolant temperature sensors, stay with us guys, we'll explain where that sensor is located. We'll guys have good and bad news for you. Bad news, you have two sensors. Good news, one of them is super easy to reach, but the bad news, this is your secondary one. The main one is super hard to reach, and we'll explain where it's located and what needs to be done to replace it. All the tools guys, including the replacement sensors, you can find them listed in the description of the video below, so please do check out the description of the video guys. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below, let us know what you think. So let's start on the problem now. So we're demonstrating here on a BMW E46, but practically that M54 6-cylinder engine's been used, as I said, on 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, Z3 and Z4 models guys as well. Everything will be practically almost the same guys. So where are the sensors? The one that's super easy to reach guys, this is known as secondary temperature sensor. This is the one for the radiator hose outlet. Okay, these sometimes do go bad, but it's not as important as the main one. Okay, and when you open the hood of your BMW usually, okay, and you look towards the left side on the bottom radiator hose, this thing right here, this is your secondary coolant temp sensor. Okay, this is known as sensor 2 as well guys, sensor 2. So this one is one of them. Now how you replace it, we have the video on the channel. You have to drain your coolant. You drain the coolant only when the engine is cold. Why? Because the coolant will be under pressure, the cooling system, it will be hot, it can burn you really bad, it can cause really bad injuries to your body guys, face, so be very careful. We have the video how to drain the coolant. And later, when you install the sensor and you put coolant, it's super important how you bleed the cooling system, because if you do not bleed it the correct way, what will happen guys, okay, you can overheat that engine super easy. Okay, that engine needs to be bled correctly, otherwise you will overheat it and you can say bye bye to it. Now, where is the second sensor? It took me a while to find it guys. I did some search online and I'll show you what I found. In order to get to the main coolant temperature sensor guys, you will need to remove your air filter box, intake boot, you will need to remove the cover here, and you will need to remove your intake manifold out of the cylinder head. Okay, yes, that's quite a bit of work and we'll be doing that very soon, but in today's video we want to show you the location, okay, the location and what to expect for replacing it. So when you remove the intake manifold, okay, you can remove the cabin air filter pan right here and the engine will be really open on top, so you can work on it. Once you do that guys, okay, let me show you. You need to remove quite a few things. You need to pull the intake manifold, and when you pull the intake manifold, okay, towards the back side, okay, let me show you. You will have your coolant temperature sensor. Okay, this thing right there, this is your guys coolant temperature sensor. You can see oxygen sensors will be right here. So I'll go ahead, okay, I'll go ahead and pop that cap open quick. I'm going to remove that cover. Okay, let me do that super quick. Just one bolt that I need to remove here with a 10mm, and I'll be able guys to show you, okay, to show you where, okay, approximately it's located. Okay, so you can see this is your engine right here, and now guys, check out in the picture. Okay, it's going to be towards the back side. Okay, once you remove the intake manifold, it will be about right there on the cylinder head under the intake manifold. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to do that job. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.